Welcome to Python Data Types. Understanding different types of data helps you write better programs. In this lesson, we will explore numbers, text, and more. No experience needed. Let us start together. Running the cell now. Why care about data types? Each piece of data in your code is a type. Knowing the type lets Python decide what you can do with it. This helps you avoid silly mistakes. Running the cell now. Let us look at 4 common data types. The comment line is just for human eyes. Here we assign a whole number to the variable number. We assign a short piece of text to text. We assign a decimal number to decimal. We assign a true or false value, called a Boolean, to is_weekend. Let us check the type of each variable. The type function tells us what each is. Running the cell now. Try making a variable of each type with your own values. Now let us focus on one type, integers. This is a comment about whole numbers. We create a variable called age and give it a value of 25. This will show us that age is an integer. Running the cell now. Try changing the value and see what happens. Decimals are called floats in Python. This comment explains decimals. We set temperature to a decimal value. This will show us that temperature is a float. Running the cell now. What happens if you remove the decimal point? Text in Python is a different type, string. This line is just a comment. We store some words in greeting. This will display the type as string. Running the cell now. Try putting your name in a string. The Boolean type saves true or false answers. This notes that Booleans are simple values. We make a lights_on variable and set it to true. Printing the type shows lights_on is a Boolean. Running the cell now. You can use Booleans to track on or off, yes or no. Practice time. Try creating one variable for each type. Age you want to be, integer. Your favorite temperature, float. Your best friend's name, string. Are you having fun learning? Boolean. Pause and try it now. Running the cell now. Let us ask the user for information. The comment says we can collect input. Input gets text from someone using the program. This will show the type of user_age is string. Input always gives text back. Running the cell now. Notice, even numbers will be saved as strings from input. We often want numbers, not text, from people. We start with a reminder. We get the user's age as a string. We change that string into an integer so we can use it as a number. We print its type to make sure we got an integer this time. Running the cell now. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video and subscribe for more beginner tips. Let us see data types in action with some math. We are saying this is about math. Price is a float number. Quantity is an integer. We multiply them to find the total cost. We print a message to the user. We use str to turn the number into text. Running the cell now. Try changing numbers to see what you get. Strings can be joined together. This is a reminder about joining text. We make a first name variable. We make a last name variable. We combine them with a space to get a full name. Now the program prints the full name. Running the cell now. You can combine any text, not just names. Lists let you save multiple pieces of data together. We explain lists in the comment. We make a list called groceries with 3 kinds of food. Printing its type shows it is a list. Running the cell now. Try making your own list of things you like. Now, let us get items from a list using their positions. The comment reminds us about positions. We print the first item in the list. Python starts counting at 0. This prints the third item. Careful with positions. Running the cell now. Try changing the number to see what happens. A dictionary is like a real phone book, a way to look up values by key. Here we introduce dictionaries. We have a contact with name and phone fields. This shows the type is dictionary, or dict for short. Running the cell now. What other info would you put in a contact? Let us look up values by their keys. The comment says what we are doing. We ask for the name from contact and print it. Now we print the phone number the same way. Running the cell now. Try adding an email to your contact dictionary. Different types can sometimes cause problems. We start with a comment warning about types. This line tries to add a number and text together. Python does not know how. Running the cell now. If you see a type error, check your data types. Let us fix that by converting types. Comment says we will change types. We start with a number. This is a text version of the number. We turn the text into a number using int. Now we can add them. Running the cell now. Remember, you can convert between types with int, str, and float. Let us bring it all together for a tiny calculator. We are building a simple calculator as a project. We ask the user for the first number and make sure it is a float. We do the same for the second number. We add the two and store the result in total. Now print the answer for the user. Running the cell now. Pick your own numbers to try. Next, a minute project for lists, making a shopping cart. We begin with a comment. We start with an empty list called cart. Get the first item from the user. Add it to the cart list. Do the same for a second item. Add the second item as well. Print the list to show what is in your cart. Running the cell now. Ask a friend to try making their own shopping cart. Some types, like tuples, cannot be changed once created. This comment tells us about tuples. We make a tuple with two numbers. This will show the type is tuple. We print both items in the tuple as coordinates. Running the cell now. Use a tuple when the data should stay the same. Let us explore changing types using casting. We comment that we will convert types. Start with a decimal number. Turn it into an integer. This removes the part after the dot. Turn that integer into a string. Print both the new integer and its type. Print the string and its type too. Running the cell now. Practice, try casting the other way. Start with an integer or string. Let us check a variable's type before using it. The comment tells us what we are doing. Assign the name Sam to the variable. Isinstance checks if name is a string before doing anything. If it is true, we print a happy message. Running the cell now. If you want more tips, remember to like the video and share it with a friend. Let us challenge yourself, guess the results. We are running a tiny challenge. X is an integer. Y is a string. We add X and int, Y. Guess, what type does that make? We combine str, X, and Y. Guess, what type is that result? Running the cell now. Try to answer in the comments and check your understanding. Summary: Python data types. We met integers, floats, strings, Booleans, lists, dictionaries, and more. Data types help telling Python what you want to do. Experiment, explore, and you will master data types. Running the cell now. Thanks for learning together. If this was helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe. Comment your favorite data type below. See you in the next beginner lesson. Running the cell now.